Imagine saving 38 minutes of manual work for every single meeting you attend. That is the headline benefit Fathom AI claims on its website for 2026, and in this review, we are breaking down if the best AI note-taker lives up to the hype. Fathom is designed to make you fully present and always prepared by capturing every detail of your meetings, delivering shockingly accurate transcripts, instant summaries, and action items straight to your inbox. The pros, according to their own data, are substantial. Automatic notes eliminate follow-up admin. You can ask Fathom questions across past conversations to instantly surface insights, and their Momentum feature gives you customizable AI summaries tailored to your team's workflow. Everything syncs automatically with your existing tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Notion, and Slack. On the negative side, Fathom's website highlights that to get this seamless experience, they use necessary functional, analytical, performance advertisement, and other uncategorized cookies. This means while you are staying present in meetings, Fathom is tracking how you interact, serving custom ads based on your history, and analyzing key performance indexes. Another con is that for team execution, everything relies on their shared source of truth. If your team doesn't consistently use it, you lose the pattern spotting and risk monitoring. The free plan for individuals costs $0 forever and includes unlimited recordings and transcriptions, choice of bot-free or bot capture type in beta, instant AI call summaries and clips, playlists, plus search across calls. The team plan, priced at $15 per month per user with a 2-user minimum discounted from $19, offers everything from individual plans plus global search across shared calls, playlists of highlights from meetings, collaboration using comments, folders, keyword alerts, customized transcription vocabulary, and single sign-on SSO with a 90-day guarantee and a start free trial. The business plan at $25 per month per user builds on the team plan with CRM field sync, deal view summarizing insights, coaching metrics and AI scorecards, custom data retention policies, professional services, and everything from previous tiers, also featuring a 90-day guarantee and a start free trial option. See you in the next video, my dear.